This is MJ, and he saw that I was trying to make a slingshot out of this stuff. Hey, who is making the noise there? You know how to make a slingshot? What are you eating? You are eating a gorilla, or you are eating orange?
Yeah.
Ah, not gorilla this time. Yeah? So anyway, this is like a simple slingshot, but then MJ, Mark Joshua, he told me that in the shop close from here, they sell everything. You see here, you have the wood and the rubbers and this one, leather patch. So he told me that you can buy that from the shop. I never knew. So one set of this, I guess it's less than 100 pesos, correct?
Yeah.
No, maybe he don't remember the price because he also bought some other things there. But so now MJ is fastening the rubber. So the blue rubber there, that is the one that you're gonna use for making the torque, or whatever you say in English. And then he's gonna cut and he will fix that patch. Okay. Very cool. Maybe you can try to make one out of this one, you know. So I have two different. So you wonder why would I like to have a slingshot? Because we have some cats. I don't have cats, but there are so many cats that are destroying my roof outside. They are killing some chicks sometimes, and they're shitting everywhere. So I love cats, but I want to have my own cat, not the wild cats who don't behave. So anytime I see a cat that I don't want in this, and that means all cats, I will aim at them with some small stone, not too hard, just to scare them away. Maybe you think, oh, I'm a monster. I don't care. I paid for these roofs. If you want to pay for the roofs, the damages, and clean up the shit from the cats, you're welcome to come here and dig us. But if you're not doing that, I'm gonna shoot those cats with a slingshot. Okay, signing off from from the new business here in Digos. And if you want to order a slingshot like this, maybe we can help you. I don't know. Okay, MJ, did you build this many times?
Yeah.
What?
I'm just a kid.
Yeah. What do you use them for? To kill birds?
Yeah.
Yeah. And we also have a rat here, huh?
Yeah.
If we see the rat, we can try to. You are allowed to kill the rat, not the cat, but the rat you are allowed to kill. Huh? Okay, signing off now. Bye bye. Bye bye. Maybe we make a follow up of this high tech weapon technology.